Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to screen record on Android 11. The first thing you need to do is swipe down and select the edit button. Swipe up and look for screen record. Now you need to move the tile further up to the top where your main quick menu tile is. If you go back, now you scroll to the right, you see that it's at the end. Select it and you see the start recording options. If you want to enable the microphone and show the touches on the screen, select both of these options, then press start. This will start recording the screen and you see a countdown at the top. It's so easy to use. Give it a go and see how you like it.